Hi guys, today we are going to hit this sheet of chewing gum using Slingshot. Come, let's try this. Not taking one sheet away, I'm opening it up this way, and we are going to make a hole in it using Slingshot ammo by sticking this towards like this. Also, we are going to hit this in vertical. Try to hit this in vertical by placing this way. Come, let's try to do this. Please subscribe the channel for more slingshot videos like this. Come, let's try to do this. Today we are going to make a hole in this sheet of chewing gum. Come, let's try to make a perfect hole in this. Okay, buddy. Slingshot recording goes wrong. This is brutal damage made by Slingshot ammo. Don't try this at home.
The next day,
You can see this is clearly a brutal damage. Let me show you under the phone also. Here you can see the ammo crushes through this point and try to penetrate this side. The iPhone gone, but who cares? I'm going to become a billionaire. No problem.